Hello and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to run through the scales for Grade 1 alto saxophone for ABRSM. See if you can play these along with me. Let's see how well you know them. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to run through these three scales: F major, G major and D minor harmonic with the metronome. So I'm going to set crotchets on here and we're going to play quavers against the crotchets. So 2 quavers to every crotchet. Let's see how well you know them. Here we go. And starting with F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next, G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next D minor with that raised 7th, that C sharp in there. So I'm going to play D minor harmonic. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and next the arpeggio of F major, this time 1 note per click, so in quavers. After 3, a 1, 2, 3. And next G major, a 1, 2, 3. And lastly, D minor. A 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it for the scales. I hope you've got them all right from memory. If you didn't and you've still got a few days before the exam, then have another practice at your scales for a day or two, and then perhaps come back to the video and do that several times, and then hopefully you'll be absolutely perfect and you'll get a full 21 marks when it comes to the exam. All the best for those scales and all the best for Grade 1. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!